Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change passcode in iPhone. So let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen. So after you tap on the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Face ID and Passcode. If prompted, enter your current password to proceed. Under the Face ID and Passcode, tap on Change Passcode option available there. You may be asked to enter your current passcode again to confirm your identity. Now you will be prompted to enter a new passcode. Follow on-screen instructions to enter your new passcode. You can use a 6-digit numeric code, a 4-digit numeric code, or a custom alphabetic code. After entering your new passcode, you will need to confirm it by entering it again. Once you have entered and confirmed your new passcode, the change is complete. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your passcode has been updated. So that is it. You have successfully changed the passcode on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.